Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to talk about the 4 best ways to prepare your iPhone or iPad for iOS 26 update. Apple's iOS 26 update is packed with exciting new features, performance improvements, and security enhancements. But before diving into installing it on your iPhone or iPad, a little preparation can make the process smoother and help you avoid common issues such as storage problems, app crashes, or even data loss. That's it. Let's get started. So first and foremost, I would recommend you to check your device compatibility and the battery health. Note that not all devices support every new iOS release, so it's worth confirming whether your iPhone or iPad is eligible for iOS 26. Additionally, since updates can put some strain on older batteries, make sure to check your battery health under the Settings app, Battery Health and Charging section. If your battery is significantly degraded, consider servicing it before updating to get the best experience. Next up, I will recommend you to back up your device. The most important step before any major software update is creating a full backup of your device. A backup ensures that all your photos, messages, app data, and settings are safely stored in case something goes wrong during the update process. You can back up using iCloud by heading to Settings app, tapping your name at the top, choosing iCloud, and then tapping iCloud Backup, and then hitting Backup Now. Alternatively, you can also back up your device on your Mac or Windows PC using Finder or iTunes. For extra safety, consider making an archive backup so it doesn't get overwritten by future backups. Then I will recommend you to free up enough storage space on your device. Note that iOS updates typically require a good amount of free storage, and if your device is nearly full, the installation could fail. To prevent this, make sure to check your available space by going to Settings, General, and choosing iPhone or iPad storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of what's taking up space and recommendations to clear it. There, make sure to delete all the apps you no longer use, offload large files, or move photos and videos to iCloud or an external drive. Having at least 10 to 15 GB of free space is recommended for a smooth update. And finally, I will recommend you to update all your apps on your iPhone or iPad. It's worth pointing out that outdated apps may not work properly in iOS 26, which can lead to glitches or unexpected crashes after the software update. To avoid this, head over to the App Store, tap on your profile, and then make sure to update all the apps all at once or do it one by one depending on the convenience, and that's about it. Preparing your iPhone or iPad before updating to iOS 26 is the best way to ensure a smooth and worry-free installation. By backing up your data, freeing up enough storage space, updating your apps, and checking the device compatibility, you'll be ready to enjoy all the exciting new features that iOS 26 has to offer. Now, go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS to your heart's liking and explore everything that it has to offer. And I'll catch you up in the next one.